Princess Shelly, the on YouTube. It's not so hard. With Princess Shelly makeup. With Princess Shelly makeup. It's not so hard with me. Princess Shelly, the on YouTube. It's not so hard. With Princess Shelly makeup. With Princess Shelly makeup. It's not so hard with me. Hi guys, today we are going to be doing a simple look. So first we are going to start with some concealer. So we're only doing this part of the face, and we're only adding blush to it, and we're done. So I already wear lipstick. So we're going to start with our concealer. I'm just like into a move, a groovy move. So now you're blending it. I do that trick because it's so hard to do this eyeliner. Hands no matter what, and I'm so concerned because using your hands are better than using those brushes. Eyelashes. This is a... Oh, they say you must do... There's some instructions at the bottom that I think we must follow. I like taking out paper. This paper is like shiny, but the camera cannot see. It's like silver shiny. They're very soft, as I could say. So let's put all this junk on, I think. Wait, we still need to put mascara. I just saw my mascara here and I saw that I was doing my, and then I'm like, guys, what do you think about my look? I'm all done. The eyelashes, they need a little bit of work. Eyeliner, beautiful. So that's all for today. Love you guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, turn off those notifications, and comment down below so maybe you could get a shout out. So we are all done. And after, so bye y'all.